We've had a fantastic 3 days, really, really busy. Fantastic to see all our customers flying in from around the world.
We've got the product behind me at the moment, and we're showcasing the product in detail, and we've got some lovely animations that actually replicate what happens in a fire scenario.
And the Intersec show is a great place for us to lead our products, get to know a wider range of solutions and introduce them to new partners all around the world.
It's been an amazing response, and we've had the busiest stand that I've actually seen in all the years I've been coming here. But it's great to see colleagues, customers and friends coming along and really getting to understand our products.
It's been a fantastic 3 days. We've got a couple of hours left. It's been phenomenal. A lot of inquiries from potential new customers, which has been fantastic, which will develop over the next couple of weeks.
The Intersec touches all parts of Northern Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia as well. Customers that we never could have met in other ways are coming by and learning from our booth what the system and Reacton are all about and how they might benefit them in their territories and their applications.
Thank you very much to all our customers this year. Some amazing new contracts. Really looking forward to 2023. From the show side, again, just great organised show. I think Intersec do one of the best job of the exhibition world in bringing some of the best people in the world together. And a very much thank you to Intersec for inviting me to speak as well. That's a wrap from us for this year at Intersec, and thanks very much to everyone.